Hey Yusuf, so this is another video about this CONA branded electrical solutions. This is the surface mount socket box. So this is a heavy duty surface mount socket box. This is actually a 16 amp version with a double socket and two switches. The reason I bought this is because I wanted to make a custom extension box from the walls, from the plug to this monitor. Actually, the cable itself it doesn't reach all the way over here, and I'm using a unconventional British plug, and there seems to be some kind of a grounding issue going on. So that's the reason why, in order to solve that problem, I got this socket box so that I can fit a socket somewhere over there, so that I can connect a smaller plug to the monitor to this box. So just let's quickly open this up and show you what comes inside. So I ordered this on Amazon. I already opened up the Amazon box. This is just a box inside that box, and yeah, so I'll leave the links for this as well in the description, so that if you get by any chance get this video, you can just uh, go to Amazon and order it, or you can buy this in a retail shop as well. They're widely available. You can just go to any retail shop and buy this. So here's the box, and this is really heavy duty, and this is how it looks. And yeah, these are really chunky switches that you have here. Big chunky switches. It really feel tactile and very satisfying to press. So yeah, that feels really satisfying to press too. It feels, yeah, that feels nice. So they're really chunky switches. This is also a chunky looking switch box, and it's really heavy. I mean, it's not really heavy. It's relatively heavy. It gives you a good quality feeling. And these have LED lights here, so that when you turn it on, it indicates that there is power. So yeah, and this also one of the other reasons why I bought this is because none of the sockets in my house have this big plug, this style plug. I mean, they have the regular a big one, three plug one, but I needed this old style one, at least one socket in my house, so I got this. And this fits everything. All Indian style plugs will fit into this, and you don't need to worry about that. I'm gonna get this connected with this wire. So I'm gonna get it connected to this wire and create an extension box. And I'll make another video about that, another separate video. But as it is, this is a very sturdy looking box. So it's made of polycarbonate, and it looks really nice as well. It's high quality. So yeah, that's it, and I'll leave the links in the description, so that if you want to order it, you can go online and order that. And have a nice day there. Bye bye.